The Axiom 4 mission has been postponed once again. The mission to the International Space Station carrying the Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla with 3 others has been delayed because there appears to have been a leak in the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Let's try and understand this more. Joining me from on the ground is Akshita Nandgopal. Akshita, we were supposed to have been covering at this juncture the launch. What do you pick up on what happened and when is the next date expected?
No one more disappointed than I am, honestly. But you've got to understand, Pooja, that this is a manned mission. So there's zero room for error. Just a couple of quick updates. There's been no communication really from SpaceX on when the next scheduled date of launch is. But what we're hearing is that the liquid oxygen leak was in the Falcon 9 rocket. And there was talk that it's going to be moved out of the launch pad for repairs. That hasn't happened because if it was moved, that essentially meant that you're not going to be seeing the launch anytime soon. It's not been moved out of the launch pad. So at this point, there is some speculation. We've been speaking to experts. They've been saying, look, there's a possibility of this still happening in the next 2 to 3 days. But at this point, you can't really hazard a guess. We're hoping that there will be some confirmation on that in the next 12 hours or so. There are essentially 2 windows here for the launch to happen. One is next week. So if SpaceX manages to get all repairs done, plug those leaks of liquid oxygen, we could see the launch happening next week. If that doesn't happen, it's going to be pushed all the way to the 2nd week of July. And that's because, look at it this way, you almost have bookings for the International Space Station. The space station is not available for that particular period, which is why either it's next week or the 2nd week of July. There's no tearing hurry here. That's very clear. SpaceX is the final authority on when the launch will happen. And because it's a manned mission, they're taking no chances whatsoever, which is how it should be. Right now, Group Captain Shukla and the 3 other astronauts, they remain in quarantine. If this is delayed more than next week, Pooja, if we're talking about the 2nd week of July or beyond that, we're going to be seeing them coming out of quarantine and then going back in closer to the launch date. Let's hope that doesn't happen. But like I said, onus and decision is completely with SpaceX.